I'm glad you're here to test Yamation's new gold DTF film with me. It really has a beautiful shimmer. I'm putting it into my printer, and I have found that by adding a little stack of copy paper behind it, the DTF film loads just fine. I've added my powder and cured it under my heat press. I've done it in 4 different colors: black, yellow, green, and red, and I'm so anxious to see it. Since it's a cold peel, let's just try it on black for fun while we're waiting for the other to cool. Okay, here we go. Oh my goodness, this is prettier than I expected. Each of the colored inks gave a different effect, from the yellow being a bright gold, the black giving kind of a bronzy gold, the green, of course, a green gold, and the red gave us a beautiful orange gold, and I'm really liking that. So many fun effects. Let's check it out how it came out on the black. Oh, I am really surprised. It's beautiful. Each colored ink gave us a little different type of gold, but they're all really pretty. Using this beautiful gold DTF film is giving me a lot of ideas for future projects, especially for the holidays coming up. Will you try it?